Here's a quick guide on how to use the Ionic Systems pump controllers. Switch on, just press the up arrow, and here you can set your flow. It can be anything up to 99. When they come out of the factory, we set them as 99. If you want to calibrate them, press these two together. Set it to what you want, and make sure you press enter to confirm. If you want to set the machine to fill, press the up and the down arrow together, and that will set it into fill mode. This will fill up right to the top, and when it gets to the top, it will automatically stop. To stop fill mode, two together, you'll hear it click. To turn the machine off, hold return for 3 seconds, and that will turn the machine off.